Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing the Fire Lens F1 by Fire-boltt, and this is a new entry in the market. They are selling AI smart glasses at 10,000 to 12,000 range. The MRP is listed at 20,000, so let's get to it. So the first thing, I just want to unbox this. I kept all the parts back so that I could show you what's in the box. Now the box is fairly big. I mean, it's a little big for holding glasses. So you have booklets over here in this. So you have notebook which shows you all of the information, which honestly I feel is a little redundant. I mean, they've put screenshots over here of the app and how to use it, as if people are going to read this. I mean, some people might, who knows? But yeah, this is a total wastage of paper. Then you have the warranty card. Activate your warranty. You have a few cards, like get the application. You have to have the application for this. So there are QR codes on literally every card. Support, again a QR code, again a QR code, QR code. And then, yeah, a message from the team, from the Fire Lens team. Then you have scan, register, secure, yeah, the warranty card. This, I feel, it's a waste of paper, I feel. They could have done a better job at it. And this is currently the quick start guide. Again, the same thing repeated 10 times. And there's a spelling mistake also. It's and Freud users. Could have done a much, much, much better job with all of this wastage of paper. Anyway, but here it is. I have a box with the microfiber cloth and the wires. There are two of them. Well, one of them is still here. So you have two wires. One, I'm guessing, is the spare, and so that's a nice thing to add. These wires, these are proprietary wires, so you can't find them anywhere else. It's nice to have a spare one. And then you have the case. The case is quite solidly built, magnetic, so you can flip it. And you have spare sets of plastic glasses. So you have two of them, two pairs. One is clear and the other is on these. And yeah, this is what they come in. The casing inside is of velvet, I'm guessing. Suede or velvet, whatever it is. Soft touch material. And it should protect your sunglasses or AI smart glasses anyway. So coming back to the main product. I've used these glasses for 3 weeks. And let's talk about what equipment list there is on this. So over here, you have microphones built into it. You have speakers here. Microphones are here and here, two of them. And this is a touch control. This button is for recording videos. This button is for recording voice. You have voice activation also. So you can say, hey, Fire Lens, do this for me. Or, hey, Fire Lens, start recording. Hey, Fire Lens, stop recording. Hey, Fire Lens, start a audio recording. But whatever recording you do, there'll be a light which glows up here. So this is an LED which indicates to the other users that you are recording. This is a video camera. And these lenses which are there, these are detachable. So you can remove them like this. Fairly easy to detach. And since they're plastic and not really rigid, so this should be fairly easy to detach for anyone without the risk of taking them. There you have it. Now, with these glasses, as soon as you wear them, you'll see that these are extremely tight here. Since they have to fit each and every face, they are extremely tight. They're not really comfortable. You can get used to them after a while, but yeah, it does press on your temples. And the second thing is the weight. The weight is definitely there. You can feel it. You can feel that the frame is heavy. And yeah, in comparison to my full frame spectacles, these are way heavier. They feel as if they are at least 4 to 5 times heavier. So yeah, they're heavy, not really comfortable, and they hit hard on your temples. So you can use them for short bursts of time, but for long-term usage, yeah, I wouldn't recommend these. Next, let's talk about what kind of quality is delivered through each of the equipment. Let's first talk about the microphones. The microphone recording is okayish, nothing too good, nothing too bad. It's acceptable. And this is a sample of my recording.
नहीं भाई, ये 4 बजे तक चलता है। साइबर अब 4 बजे तक खुला है।
The next is video recording. So with video recording, if it's during daytime, you won't have any issues. The video is decent and it performs well. I'm happy with the results. But as soon as you go into nighttime or low lighting conditions, there you start seeing faults and it gets really, really dark. You can later edit the video, raise up the gamma and bring out, but that's just going to create noise. Anyway, but the point is the video at night, that's not really pleasant to look at, and it doesn't perform really well. So yeah, video during daytime, that's completely acceptable, but at night it doesn't do well.
लाइट ऑन हो गई।
So for the camera, you get an 8 megapixel Sony sensor and with an inbuilt 32 GB memory. So the 32 GB memory internal is plentiful. Now here lies the problem. Because the battery is so small, within 4 minutes or 4.5 minutes of continuous recording, this will discharge completely. And that's a little low. And moreover, around the 2-minute mark, the device gets heated beyond a point that you shouldn't be wearing them. And I was actually concerned. Next, let's talk about the app. So with the app, the first thing is connectivity. Now, for connectivity, I'd say it's pretty simple. You just pair it up and that's pretty seamless. Then you have different things that you can trigger from the app itself, like taking a photo, recording a video, stopping the recording, and recording voice, through the microphone, or the image recognition. So in image recognition, as soon as you press the button, it takes a picture of whatever the camera is seeing, and then it's going to dictate to you what is it that it's seeing. I've used all of these features, and to be honest, it's clunky. The user experience, I'd say, very clunky. If you look at this app, you've got the volume control, take photo, record video recording, and smart image recognition. The rest is, again, all the things that were here on the pamphlet, they're all here. So again, this is all redundant. You have the AI tab, wherein if you put in smart image recognition, you straight away go to the AI app and it's going to tell you what is it that you're seeing. Then on the photos tab, you will get to see all the photos that you have clicked and downloaded on the app. So there are 2 steps to the process. First is recording, which gets stored to its internal memory, and then transfer from the internal memory to your phone. And that takes time, especially if it's a big video, let's say of around 2 or 3 minutes, which I tried doing. It takes roughly about 10 minutes. And it connects directly to this. Honestly, the user experience is not that great. I did not like that. If you click here, it should be available on the app as well. Even, you can do it on the background, that's no problem, but triggering the transfer, that's not a good user experience at all. Then you have the account, your account. So you have security, my account, guide, help and support, feedback about standard stuff. So the app, in my view, can be much, much, much better. The app, to me, I feel is an afterthought. They've just put these things over here. They haven't thought about the user experience at all. And it's not user-friendly. You have to go around places to get stuff done. And yeah, I definitely did not like the experience. So all in all, at this price point, at 10,000, whatever you're getting with this, I would say it's, the equipment list that you're getting is kind of decent. You won't get a better equipment list. But having said that, the user experience should also be enjoyable. The ease of using this device should be there, which I don't feel is there. There are too many buttons. The app is clunky, too many gestures to go around. They could have just done one thing and they could have done it right. After my second days of being so excited about this product, the third day it quickly died down because of the experience. That's not very enjoyable. So my verdict on these glasses, if you have a lot of disposable income and you don't want to go for Meta or even GoPro for that matter, then it can be a decent addition, but you'll definitely get frustrated by it. So bear that in mind. that it has its own shortcomings with this low of a price point. And I don't see the app improving anytime soon. Also, since these things are built in China, I'm guessing that this app is also pre-made in China, and they've just put in their own theme on it, the colors and all. So yeah, I don't see a room for improvement. It's like those apps that you see when you're putting ambient lighting into your car, the Chinese apps. It's exactly like that. So not really pleasant, in my opinion.